If you're a small e-com brand or you're running ads for a small e-com brand and you've tried running PMax in the past and you've had no luck, then this campaign structure is a good alternative if you're spending sort of up to $1,000 a month and under. It's easy to set up, and it's kind of like taking all of the individual campaign types that make up a Performance Max and running them separately so you have full control over it. The first campaign is a brand search campaign, and this is a really straightforward exact match only, your brand terms only, nothing else, exclude everything else. This is really there just to make sure that competitors aren't bidding on your brand terms and that if someone wants to find you, they can find you. The second one is a standard shopping campaign. You can split your ad groups by product type, category, profitability, winners, whatever it is you want. But really the goal for this campaign is to get out and meet new cold audiences that have not heard of your brand before, get them to site, hopefully some of them buy. If the rest of them leave, we can then implement our third campaign, the display campaign. This one will be used to remarket those users who landed from your standard shopping campaign but didn't convert, nurture them, and then hopefully get them to convert later down the line. It's pretty straightforward, and you can scale this up pretty easily just by adding more spend to your standard shopping lines. In terms of budgets, you're looking at about 10% towards your brand search campaign, and you want to use a manual CPC. If that doesn't exist by the time you're watching this video, then use a target impression share. For your standard shopping, you want to use either manual CPC or maximize clicks. You can use smart bidding if you want, just try not to be too restrictive with it. Don't use a target ROAS. And lastly, for your display campaign, you want to use smart bidding here. You want to make that as efficient as possible. Start off with maximized conversion value, but then upgrade that to a T ROAS once you've got enough conversions in the account. It's pretty easy to scale up this campaign mix. Just add more spend to your standard shopping campaign.